Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am gonna show you guys a few different ways on how to open up the local security policy on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The easiest way in my opinion on how to open up the local security policy is go to search menu and type local security policy. Comes up local security policy, click on open it. This is the first way to open it guys. The second way you just need to search for secpol.msc. Comes up local security policy. You can also open it with the run dialog window as well. Just copy it and right click on the start icon and select run. Now you just need to paste the secpol.msc. Click on OK and it will be open up local security policy. And now the third way to open it, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select this view by two large icons. In here you just need to select Windows tools. In here you can able to see the local security policy over here. Click on it. This is our third way to open the local security policy. The final way to open up the local security policy is using the CMD or PowerShell window. You just need to go to search menu and type CMD or PowerShell. You just need to open it. And now you just need to type here secpol, press enter, and opens up a local security policy guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like you guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.